Hello student 9, let us continue with your algebra, okay, and exercise number 2.3. In the previous video we have done the exercise number 2.3 ke sum number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There I explained you the meaning of surds, okay, and then also we okay, let me repeat again the meaning of surd. It is a irrational root of the rational number is called surd, जिसका स्क्वायर रूट या क्यूब रूट नहीं हो सकते ऐसे नंबर जो नंबर खुद रैशनल नंबर है लेकिन इसका स्क्वायर रूट या क्यूब रूट इरेशनल नंबर हो, यानी नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग हो, नॉन एंडिंग हो, दैट नंबर्स दैट सच थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड सर्ड्स. And we have gone through the two ways of writing surds. One is a simple surd and the other one is mixed surd. I have showed you both the types of surd how to write, and if you have forgotten, please go back to your video and watch that clip once again, because that is very important to do further what we are doing now. Okay, so let us continue with your sixth question, and that is the question is simplify the surd. Simplify the surd. Let us do the first sum. The first question number 6, exercise number 2.3. all right, and the first one is 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Remember students, what you can add the like surds. We have already gone through what are the like surds are. हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा है कि like surd किसे कहते हैं और unlike surd किसे कहते हैं. See here, these are the like surds because you have the rational root, I mean the radicand value is same, 3 and 3, radicand value is same, that is called like surds. So like surds can be added or it can be subtracted. Like surds can be added or it can be subtracted. Alright, so let us add. It's like the same, 5x plus 8x. What do you get? 5x plus 8x. Yes, you exactly get what? 5x plus 2x as 13x. But here x is not there, variable नहीं है, उसके बदले आपके पास surd है. It is 5 plus 8, you can write in a bracket, and the root 3 you can write it outside. So 5 plus 8 gives you 13 root 3. That's it. 13 root 3 is the answer. Okay, second one. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125. Now see, this and this, 9 root 5 and 4 root 5, ये दोनों क्या है? Mixed surd में है, right? But root 125 is what? It's like a simple surd. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to convert this simple surd into mixed surd always. Whenever you simplify the surds, you have to make them simple surd. Sorry, you have to make it mixed surd. Mixed surd में convert करो. These are the already mixed surd, as you can see. But root 125 is not in a mixed surd. Let us mix it. I mean, let us first of all make it mixed surd. So 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 to be written as it is. प्लस अभी 125 का मिक्स सर्ड क्या होने वाला है, हमें हाउ टू डू मिक्स सर्ड अगर आप भूल गए हो तो वापस एक बार मैं याद दिला देती हूँ. रूट 125 इज लाइक व्हाट? 25 5 राइट, वी हैव टू गेट द वन स्क्वायर. 1 2 100 के स्क्वायर आपको लिख देने हैं. 1 4 9 16 25 36 एंड सो ऑन. देन यू टू चेक 125 इज डिविजिबल बाय विच स्क्वायर नंबर, सो दैट इज 25. Okay, it comes in the ones table also and 25, but we have to take higher ones. So 25 5s are, and then 25 का square root हमें बाहर ले लेना है. So becomes 5 root 5. 5 root 5. So right in the place of root 125, I can write 5 root 5. You don't need to do this step while doing the simplification of the sums. You can do this as a rough work, or if you can do it mentally, it's good. And if you cannot do it mentally, you do this part as a rough work. All right. So 5 root 5. तो यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आना चाहिए how to make it mixed surd. अगर आपको यही नहीं पता है mixed surd पे कैसे convert करे, then you please watch the clip once again. So now you see root 5, root 5, root 5. It's a like surd. They all are like surds because they have same radicand. Yes. So 9 minus 4 plus 5 root 5. अगर ये like surd है तो हम add या subtract कर सकते हैं. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 10. So 10 root 5 is the answer. Okay. Simple. Yeah, moving to the third one now. It is 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. Okay, looking at the question you will feel that nothing is like same. I mean nothing is no mixed surd में अगर हम convert भी देखते तो ये mixed surd है, लेकिन whatever is inside the root 48 it can be further factorized, it can be further simplify हो सकता है. 27 को भी हम further mixed surd में convert कर सकते हैं. तो let us do that because we need to make them like. हमें ये check करना कि ये like surds है कि नहीं है. First of all, looking at the question, they are not like surd. Let us simplify further with the one step of factorizing it and check करते हैं वो like surd होगा कि नहीं. 48 comes in the table of 16. It comes in the table of 4 also and 16 also, but we have to take the higher one. I told you how to make it mixed surd. So we'll take 16 what's are 16 3s are. Again 27 is coming in the table of 9 9 3s एंड रूट 3 तो उसको तो फर्दर हम कर नहीं सकते, इट्स सेल्फ अ प्राइम नंबर. 7 एज इट इज़. या 16 का जो स्क्वायर रूट है उसको बाहर ले लेंगे तो क्या आएगा 4 विल बी टेकन आउट. व्हाट लेफ्ट इनसाइड 3. यहाँ से 9 का स्क्वायर रूट हम बाहर ले लेंगे तो दैट इज़ 3. तो 3 रूट 3 माइनस रूट 3. आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद दिस स्टेप. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. पहले हमने क्या किया 48 को फर्दर फैक्टराइज किया. ओके, आई हैव टू मेक इट अ सिंपलेस्ट सर्ट मुझे बनाना है. मिक्स सर्ट में सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म चाहिए मुझे, यानी रूट की रेडिकेंट का वैल्यू सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट होना चाहिए. रेडिकेंट यहाँ पे इफ यू सी द रेडिकेंट वैल्यू इज क्वाइट बिगर, इट कैन बी फर्दर फैक्टराइज्ड विच आई डिड इट हियर. 27 is also further factorized which I did it here and this way. So now you can multiply whatever is outside, like 7 4, so you can multiply here. So you get 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 and minus, it's just root 3 means you can assume it to 1 root 3. Okay, root 3 मतलब 1 root 3. अब आप check करो, is the radicand value same? Are they like surds? Yes, they are like surds. Okay, the radicand value is same, so they are like surds. So we can add or subtract. Here is everything subtraction, तो minus करना है हमें. Okay, understood why I write 1? Because it's a root 3. Root 3 means its a coefficient is 1. Compulsory to write. 28 minus 3 is 24, 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. Root 3 is the final answer. Okay, and the fourth one very important. ये 6th onwards सारे sums आपको 3 times करने हैं. 1 time in your rough book, 1 time in your fair book and 1 time in your homework book, like that. 3 times you have to do all the sums from 6 onwards. 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1 time in rough book, 1 time in fair book and 1 time in your homework book. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question. And the next question is fourth one. It's root 7 minus 3 upon root 7 plus 2 root 7. Okay, 7 itself is a prime number, so you don't have to further factorize anything. हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो अज्यूम कर लो 1 root 7 है. लाइक सर्ड है सारे. येस, दे ऑल आर लाइक. ब्रिंग इट टुगेदर इफ दे आर लाइक सर्ड. दैट इज 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2. outside the bracket you will write root 7. Root 7 is a common surd radicand, right? So now let us solve this part. ये ब्रैकेट को हमें ओपन करना है, ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करना है. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 5 है, तो वी नीड टू टेक LCM. ओके, हाउ टू ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट सच थिंग्स विच वन इज, आई मीन 2 आर नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड 1 इज अ फ्रैक्शन नंबर. तो हमें LCM लेना होगा. ये टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई, देयर इज नथिंग टू अज्यूम 1, देयर इज नथिंग टू अज्यूम इट 1 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 बिकॉज 5 इज योर LCM. जहाँ पे 5 है वहाँ पे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जहाँ पे 1 है वहाँ पे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. आपको LCM लेना तो आना चाहिए. सो यू गेट 5 minus 3 minus 10. Okay, 5 1s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3. This is plus, so put plus. 5 2s are 10 upon 5. We have to write it once only. We have to write the denominator 1. LCM एक ही बार लिखना है. 5 minus 3, yes, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 10, 12 upon 5 root 7. That's all. 12 upon 5 root 7 is the final answer. You don't have to make it a decimal. Leave it in fraction. Okay, so here you are done with the 6th question. Now you are going to the 7th one. 7th में जैसे हमने कहा कि लाइक सर्ड होते तो ही हम ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन या डिवीजन में ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. ओके, कि लाइक सर्ड मतलब लाइक होंगे तो ही यू मल्टीप्लाई, नॉट लाइक दैट. सी हाउ टू डू. तो फर्स्ट वन इज 3 root 12 इंटू root 18. इफ़ यू सी 12 and 18 दे कैन बी फर्दर फैक्टराइज हो सकते हैं. You make it sure whatever you have in the radicand, inside the radicand, no, the radicand value should be smallest, right? 12 and 18 is very big numbers. It can be further factorized, right? तो हमें factorize करना पड़ेगा. radicand के अंदर जो होना चाहिए numbers वो एकदम smallest होने चाहिए. 12 comes in the table of 4. 4 3s are and 4 is a square number. 18 comes in the table of 9. 9 2s are. ठीक है, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लेंगे. 3 into 2 root 3, ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाएगा. इंटू 9 का स्क्वायर रूट भी बाहर आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा 3 root 2. तो 3 2s are 6 root 3 इंटू 3 root 2. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस व्हाट आई डिड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 root 12 मीन्स इट इज़ 6 root 3. 3 root 12 का मतलब है 6 root 3 बिकॉज 12 इज़ 4 3s are एंड 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लिया विच इज़ 2. तो ये तो मल्टीप्लाई तो बाहर का वैल्यूज़ 3 2s को मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे 18 मतलब 3 root 2. ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 6 and 3. जो बाहर के नंबर्स है नो सर्ट्स के बाहर के जो नंबर्स है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. 6 3s are 18 एंड अभी रेडिकेंट को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते. 3 2s are 6. So 18 root 6 is the final answer. 18 root 6. This is the one way of doing it. Or the other one is what? 3 under the square root 12 into 18. ठीक है, अब क्या रेडिकेंट को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो डायरेक्टली. 3 आउटसाइड ही रखो under the square root 12 into 18. So 3 as it is under the square root. Now 18 12s are how much? 18 12s are gives you how much? 180 plus 36. That is I think 206. Yeah. Sorry, it's 216. 216. ओके 216 इज फर्दर स्क्वायर. उसको भी हम अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे हमें 216 को फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा. 216 लेट अस राइट ऑल द स्क्वायर नंबर्स 1 4 9 10 16 25 36 49 64 81 and 100. Okay, so 216 comes in the table of does it come in the table of 16? Yeah, it will come in the table of 16, but you will see the greater number. The greater number is C 36. 36 के टेबल में आएगा ये 36 6 C 36 no 36 6 36 6 36 3 up 3 6 18 plus yes 216. 36 6 में आता है, यानी कि 3 in the bracket 36 into 6. तो 36 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले ले तो 6 आता है, बचेगा क्या अंदर 6. Now 3 6 18 root 6. See, you get in both the method you get the same answer. So it's your choice what you want to do. You factorize it small numbers and then multiply it, which I feel it is more easy. This part is more easy because यहाँ पे आपको कुछ कैलकुलेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही. ये सिर्फ आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि वॉट एवर नंबर यू हैव इन द रेडिकेंट, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट फैक्टराइजिंग इट, मेक अ स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई. वेयर इज हियर यू मल्टीप्लाई द 12 and 18, वॉट एवर नंबर्स यू गेट उसको वापस फर्दर फैक्टराइज करो. For that you have to think about it, which number should be the best suitable one, and then you have to multiply. Okay, this is time consuming but easy. Okay, you will do with both the methods. Now next one is third sum. It's 3 root 8 into root 5. So it's very simple. Can you do further factorize of 8? You can do further factorize of 8. That is 4 2s are 8 into root 5 as it is हम लिखेंगे. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लेंगे तो बचेगा क्या 3 इंटू 2 रूट 2 इंटू रूट 5. ओके, जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होते हैं उसको स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लिया करो. 3 2 6 रूट 2 इंटू रूट 5. सो 6 तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो अज्यूम 1, तो 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई 1 6 1 6 एंड अंडर द स्क्वायर रूट 2 5 10. तो 6 रूट 10 इज द फाइनल आंसर. और व्हाट यू कुड डू 3 रूट 8 इंटू रूट 5 है, सो वी कैन डू अनदर वे like how we did the that sum in the second method. We will multiply 8 5s straight away. So 8 5s 40. Now you know the 40 comes in the table of 4 10s. ठीक है, 4 10s 40 होता है. So 3 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लो, that is root 10. Now 3 2s 6 root 10. So you get the same answer. Understood? You do by both the method, and but in as a practice you do by both the method. But in exam or in the test you can use any one of them. Next one, fourth one. Fourth one is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. ठीक है, 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. I'll show again both the method only. So 5 root 8, 5 into root 8 means 4 2s into 2. Again root 8 की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे 4 2s. So 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लो, यानी 5 into 2 root 2 into 2. ये 4 का स्क्वायर रूट बाहर ले लो तो 2 again root 2. 5 2s 10 10 root 2 into 2 2s 4 4 root 2, right? Now 10 4s 40 and root 2 is 2. root 2 into root 2 क्या होता है 2. तो 42s 80 is the answer. Understood? How? I repeat, 8 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 into 2. 8 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 into 2. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2. तो 5 into 2 into root 2. Here 2 into 2 into root 2. So 5 2s 10 10 root 2 and here also 2 2s 4 4 root 2. Now you multiply 10 into 4 the outside values and root 2 into root 2. Always याद रखो root 2 into root 2. root 2 into root 2 is root 4. root 4 is what 2, right? Anything root 3 into root 3 3. root 4 into root 4 4, like that. 42s 80. Or other way is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. So 5 into 2 into root 8 into root 8. Okay. So 5 2s 10. 8 8s 64. So 10 into now root 64 is 8. 64 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 64 का square root is 8. So 10 is 80. Okay. So understood both the method? Good. Now let's do the ninth one. Eighth one. Eighth का first one divide करना है हमें. Fine. First one is root 98 upon root 2. Divide करें means we are dividing it upon. So root 98 upon root 2 यानी कि under the square root 98 upon 2. Yeah. it has the same power, same degree, so you can put it under the square root. 2 ones are 2, 49s are, that is root 49. Root 49 is 7. Square root of 49 is 7. I should know 98 is divisible by 2. Words are 49s are. Next one is root 125 upon root 50. That means 125 upon 50. 125 and 50 divisible by the highest common factor is 25. 25 2s are 25 5s are. So answer is root 5 upon 2. Root 5 upon 2. Okay, root 5 upon root a. The square root is under the entire fraction. You can't divide this. 5 and 2 comes factor. We cannot remove its square root. So the answer stops here. Same way next one, third sum. Root 54 upon 27. 27 ones are 27 twos are, that is root 2. Square root 2. Next one is root 310 upon 5. Root 5. Okay, 310 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 62s are, so answer is root 62. Root 62, that's it. See, that means when can we divide in case the degree is same. You understand what is degree? This is your degree. Order, okay? We used to call it order, not degree. If the order is same, you can divide. In every sum the order was same. In every sum the order was same. Sabka order same ही था. 2 2 2 2 था. If you see, the order is 2. Here is also 2. Order 2 2 2 2 2 2. Order is same. So you can divide. So याद रखो, multiplication और division करते वक्त order must be same. And addition and subtraction करते वक्त surds must be like surds. Okay, and the ninth question, we are going to the ninth question now. What is 9? Rationalize the denominator. Question number 9, first one. Rationalize the denominator. बहुत easy है, rationalize the denominator. What is the first one? 3 upon root 5. Okay, what to do in rationalizing? Understand. You look at the denominator. Denominator में क्या है? root 5. Whatever is your denominator ना, multiply with that number. पूरे फ्रैक्शन को हमें ये डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यानी कि 3 अपॉन रूट 5 है तो मल्टीप्लाई एंटायर फ्रैक्शन विथ रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5. एंड रीजन में लिखेंगे रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर. रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर. दिस इज कॉल्ड रैशनलाइजिंग डिनोमिनेटर. एंड डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी नंबर है या जो भी रूट है, जो भी सर्ड है, उसको पूरे फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है. सो 3 इंटू रूट 5 विल बी 3 रूट 5 एंड रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5 इज 5. And you can't divide this, so leave it. That's it. Only 2 steps answer. Second, 1 upon root 14. So we will multiply by root 14 upon root 14. हमें क्या reason लिखेंगे? Rationalizing the denominator. I'm not writing the reason, but you have to write it. Rationalizing the denominator. So now 1 into root 14 is root 14 only, and root 14 into root 14 gives you 14. Okay, root हट जाएगा. Third one, 5 upon root 7. So multiply by root 7 upon root 7. So 5 into root 7 is 5 root 7 upon root 7 into root 7 is 7. That's it. So आप enjoy कर रहे होंगे ये sums, easy है. So now 6 upon 9 root 3. What you do, first of all you divide this. 6 and 9 divisible है ना, तो divide कर लो, easy रहेगा. 3 2s and 3 3s. तो what you get? 2 upon 3 root 3. 3 upon 3 root 3. Now we will rationalize it. So we'll multiply by root 3. याद रखो, सिर्फ आपको root 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Don't multiply 3 root 3 entire. जो सर्ड है ना, उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करो आप. ठीक है. So 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 upon. now यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. This root 3 into root 3. root 3 into root 3. ये root 3 into root 3 क्या होता है? 3 होता है. and यहाँ पे तो ऑलरेडी 3 है, तो यहाँ से भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 3 into 3 9. Understood how I got 9? I repeat. root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 3 into this 3 is 9. So that's why 9 is the answer. Understood what I did? हमने पहले 6 and 9 को डिवाइड कर लिया 3 से. 3 2s and 3 3s. So we got 2 upon 3 root 3. When we are rationalizing it, just सर्ड की वैल्यू से rationalize करो, यानी root 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करो. So 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3, and 3 root 3 into root 3 will be 9. Okay. Same way the fifth one, it's 11 upon root 3. So multiply by root 3 upon root 3. So 11 into root 3 is 11 root 3. And upon root 3 into root 3 is just 3. That's it. So here we are done with the 2.3 exercise, all the sums 6, 7, 8, 9. In that 6th is quite little, not very much, but little difficult because you're doing it for the first time such sum. So you will be doing practice of 6, 7, 8 and 9 3 times as I already told you. And then we will move to the next exercise 2.4. 2.4 will be continuing later on. Many of the school, especially I know Teresa school का portion is only first chapter entire and till 2.3 you have. Till 2.3 आपके एग्जाम में आने वाला है. But I will not just stop in 2.3. I have to do 2.4 and 2.5 also because some school will also have 2.4 and 2.5. So Teresa you will be also practicing 2.4 and 2.5. Understood? ज़रूरी नहीं आपका अभी यूनिट टेस्ट में नहीं है तो हमें नहीं करना है. You keep doing it. You keep practicing it. Now coming to the problem set, some sums I'm giving you to do in homework. So I already gave you some sums in homework, or maybe I'm not given, I'm not sure. No problem. So you will do MCQs. Whatever you understand you do that much. Whatever you will not understood in the Zoom meeting I will explain you. So you will be doing MCQ. You will be doing second question. You will be doing third question. Fourth question also I have taught you. Fifth also I have taught that also. Sixth question, yes, the simplest form mixed third में convert करना है. Seventh leave, eighth मत करो. Eighth के you can do first and second sum. Seventh don't do. Eighth के do first and second. Don't do 3, 4, 5. That I will do. That's all. So in homework you are going to do the MCQ. You will do sum number 2, sum number 3, sum number 4, 5, 6 and 8 का 1 and 2. So that is all for your homework. So tomorrow most probably will finish your remaining 2 exercises, and tomorrow is what, Friday. So Saturday we'll have the Zoom class and we'll do problem set. Okay, bye bye.